Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of OOP1 subject. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn about autoboxing and unboxing concept using Vapor class. So we have already discussed what is Vapor class in previous video lecture. Again, we are revising that we will have 8 primitive data types in Java that are byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character and boolean, and their data types are no objects. Okay, if we want to create object, for that we will need Vapor classes. So all the primitive data types will have some classes of it, means int data type will have integer primitive data type, will have integer Vapor class, long data type will have long Vapor class. So this 8 primitive data type will have 8 Vapor classes. Of that Vapor classes we can create objects. If at some place our variable cannot use but we will have to use the objects, at that time we can use that Vapor classes, and of that Vapor classes we can create objects. Okay, so here we will have this 8 primitive data types. So char data type will have character Vapor class, byte have byte Vapor class, short have short Vapor class, double and boolean have boolean. And also our integer data type will have Vapor class of integer. Now we will see the concept of autoboxing. In autoboxing, it automatic conversion of primary type to the object. Here we will have to remember this: autoboxing will convert primary type to the object, means variable to the object of corresponding class. Okay, so this will be known as the autoboxing. For example, conversion of int to integer, long to long, double to double, etc. Here in this example we can say we have integer data type, variable name is num and its value is 100. If we want to convert this variable into object, then our syntax will be integer object name is equal to integer dot value of and into bracket our variable is num. So this will convert our num variable into the integer object. Okay, so that is concept of autoboxing. Autoboxing converts primitive type into the object. If we talk about the unboxing, so unboxing is totally reverse of the autoboxing. In autoboxing we were converting our primitive type to the object. Now we will convert our object to the primitive type. Okay, so here we have example: conversion of integer to int, long to long and double to double. Okay, so here you can see that we have an object integer obj and it have value of 100. Now we will convert that object into the variable. So for converting, our syntax will be int num. Here we have taken simple variable int num is equal to obj dot int value. Okay, obj means this object name. If our object name is a, then we will write a dot. Our object name is b, then we will write b dot. Here our variable is type of integer, so here we are writing int value. If our object is of float data type, then we will write here obj dot float value. If it is type of double, then we will write obj dot double value. So this is the conversion of object into the primitive data type. Here our object is converting into the integer variable. So this is concept of unboxing. Okay, so this is the concept of Vapor class, autoboxing and unboxing. So this is it for today's video lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.